Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the 2 movie guide bubbles for this week in Heartopia. So if you kind of select the planet button over here, you will see that there is like a movie guide section. Then you're going to view the riddles. There's the Aura of Scent and the best soundtrack one. You can click on the like hands to view the riddle. So the first one is head along the path by the windmill flower field to the screening area near the beach. The movie starts right on time. And for the second one, it says the lyrical piano score infuses the film with artistry, thereby securing it the Best Soundtrack Award at the latest ceremony. So the first location is here. I forgot to like take a screenshot of the map, but it's like near this tent area, but I will put the location on the map here. As you can see, that's the first bubble. And for the second one, you are going to teleport to like the Art Street area. And as you can see, you'll find the bubble floating on top of the piano. And that is your second riddle solved. The next one will be in like a few days. So I will update you on the next video, but until now, thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!